How to fix Classpnp.sys BSOD in Windows. In this video I will show you few methods to fix the problem. Fix 1. Enter safe mode with networking. Click on Advanced option. Click on Restart. Press F7 key in your keyboard. Now you've successfully booted up in safe mode with networking. Continue with step 2 to troubleshoot the blue screen problem. Fix 2. Repair corrupt system files. Open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering each command, restart your computer and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work.
Fix 3. Update your device drivers. Open Google Chrome and type driver easy. If any driver update available, click on Update All. Fix 4. Update your BIOS. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.